Hello YouTube family and welcome back to my channel for another unboxing, review and test. Today I have this ice cream maker from Silvercrest. Makes up to 1 liter of ice cream or sorbet. Includes 6 recipes. Opening in the lid for editing ingredients during the process with 150 cm cable, 12 watts power consumption, 3 years warranty, with detachable motor unit with alternating rotation direction. So let's open the box to find out more about this product and how to make an ice cream. Wow, very cold metal, I like that. It helps to make the ice cream. Included, of course, we have in the manual. If you want to read it, your choice, but stay with me, we're gonna find out all about this product. 1.5 meter the cable length, very convenient for your kitchen. Now let's see one by one what we have out of the box. The mixing blade, plastic, you can wash it, clean it. The motor unit with the on-off switch, and you can remove this transparent plastic. Press these two plastics, you can clean it, install it back again, press and it will lock. We have the lid with filling opening, very convenient. At the process you can add more ingredients. Here it is the bowl, you can remove the bowl. Double insulated walls with liquid. Put the bowl in the bag into the freezer for at least 24 hours at minus 18 degrees Celsius. First wash it, dry it, and then put it at the back. Only take the bowl out of the freezer right before you are about to make the ice cream, to ensure it is as cold as possible. Nice! It is very cold right now. And we have in the container with the ring for handle. You can buy and on a different colors. Silicone pads, it will stay very secure at any surface. And it locks. So let's remove the bowl, put it at the freezer and wait about, I think 12 hours it is enough, not 24 hours. Maybe even 6 hours, I will test it. The recipe is banana ice cream and I need to mix all the ingredients here. 200 ml low fat milk. One 100 ml whipping cream, fat 30%. You can follow so many recipes online and at the manual. And 50 grams of sugar. and after 24 hours this is solid. Okay, perfect. And the only thing that we need to do is wait. And after 30 minutes it is ready. Unlock. Oh yes, I like it. Lick it. So here are the results. Put it at the freezer. Stir with a plastic spoon to scrape all the ice cream off the wall, and then let's see how it tastes. This handy appliance is perfect for anyone who loves making delicious homemade ice cream, sorbet and frozen yogurt right in their own kitchen. Easy to use interface and efficient freezing technology with this ice cream maker. You can create your favorite frozen treats in a matter of minutes, allowing you to experiment with different flavors and ingredients. With a clear lid for monitoring the freezing process and large mixing bowl that allows you to make generous batches of your favorite desserts. The removable parts make cleaning up a breeze, so you can enjoy your homemade ice cream without any hassle. I just love it, smooth and tasty ice cream. The powerful mixing motor ensures a smooth and creamy texture every time, whether you are making classic vanilla ice cream, fruit sorbet or intelligent frozen yogurt. Plus the compact design means it fits easily to your countertop or in your kitchen cabinet. I hope you found this review helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing to my channel for more kitchen gadgets, reviews and recipe tips. Thanks again for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.